Scorpio. Welcome po. September 15 to 21. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Knock knock Scorpio. Shoutout po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Yeah? Another weekend. Pahinga. Magkape-kape po tayo. Magkwentuhan. Let's not take life seriously. Ganyan po talaga. Abangan natin yung development ng DPWH para makapag-celebrate tayo. Mag-celebrate ako kapag merong isa sa kanila or maraming papasok sa sa bilibid. Dahil sobra na ito. Sobra na po itong kalokohang ginawa sa atin. Yes? So, tingnan natin. Scorpio, sa mga fellow Scorpio din po ako. Kaya, interesting po ako sa Scorpio sign. 7 of 1, okay? Ito, kailangan tayo talagang lumaban. We should stand on our ground. Okay? Napuno na rin sa Scorpio. That's how I feel it. That's how nararamdaman ko yan. Ang gusto ko lang naman is, okay, I will talk first person siguro, singular, kasi Scorpio ako. Kung makaka-relate ako. Like anybody else, we just want to go to that peace and quiet. Okay? Maaring ito yung Scorpio, water sign. We want to be near water. Okay? That's how we find that yung sakit ng ulo natin sa anong source man po yan. Okay? Iba-iba po tayo ng sitwasyon. Makapag-reset. That's what I do. Kung yung ibang Scorpio gusto nila sa magkape-kape, which I do love also, that if that's your sea of peace and quiet, then go for that one. Okay? Now, you are standing on your ground. Kung ano yung paniniwala mo, ipaglaban mo. Yeah? Scorpio? Nasa na naman tayo? Fighting mood na naman tayo, very deadly pong Scorpio. Wag niyong yan. Agree? Okay. Yeah, palaging venture out tayo. Okay? Sa ibang Scorpio na hinihintay na kung darating yung ship or whatsoever. Oops, ayusin ko yung card na nakataob. Na meron kang hinihintay sa other fellow Scorpio. Gusto mo expansion? Scorpio always about change and expansion. Madaling mabore yan eh. Okay? Wait for that one. Kailangan mo pa rin ng konting paghihintay. So, kung kailangan mong to pretend na malakas ang loob mo maski na sa panglabas na anyo, not to affecting the other people kasi nga you are dwelling on regrets. Meron ka namang mga natapo na tasa na hindi mo napansin yung isang offer pa sa'yo na nasa harapan mo. Yeah? You just need to claim it. Ayaw mong i-claim. What's wrong? Okay. Okay, sa mga kapatid kong Scorpio, ayaw mong i-claim. Okay, yung strength card dito, iba yung pagkakatingin ko rito because it's beside the regret, okay? Scorpio is, is a fixed sign eh. Alam niya na kung para sa iyo yan, ilalaban mo yan. Pero itong the Scorpio here that I can see is, parang ayaw, panglabas na anyo na matapang, but deep inside, there's something soft. And that softness, being the water sign, I think the Scorpio, you're dwelling again on the past. Yeah, okay. Ibang to. Ibang energy ni Scorpio. I'm reading to specific Scorpio. I'm reading to a different group of Scorpio this here. Okay? Pinaglalaban mo kung ano yung paniniwala mo. Yeah, so there's an argument there. Ang gusto mo lang naman is to be on your safe zone. Yes? Okay. Lahat tayo. Everybody wants to be on the safe zone. Now, meron kang, okay, knowing Scorpio, sometimes matigas din tayo when we want to go to a different direction. You want that expansion? Yeah, okay. Because you have been hurt before. Hurt, nagkaroon ka ng regret kasi meron kang miss opportunity. A missed opportunity can be related to boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, spouse, at you're regretting that. You don't want to go through again the same situation. Meron mang ganyan. Scorpio, tignan natin kung anong karugtong nito. Anong karugtong nito? Oops, naubos na yung ano ko, yung incest ko. Ano ba to? Joss stick. Okay, tignan natin. Tignan natin. Anong planong gawin ng mga kapatid kong Scorpio? Aside from magbasa or manood o mag-window shopping or to go to the spa or treat yourself. Tingnan natin. Pero itong Scorpio na nakikita ko, ano ito, medyo ito yung nasa ano lang ako, curious lang ako sa mga fellow Scorpio. Do you consider yourself, shout out kayo sa chat, introvert or extrovert? I just want to ask. Curious lang ako. Curious lang po ako. Ngayon basahin ko tong fellow Scorpio na ito. Yeah, iba-iba kasi po yung placement natin eh. Kaya and yung year natin, nakaka-affect din yan eh. Okay. Tignan natin kung ano yung timeline ni Scorpio. Bakit ito yung nararamdaman niya? Sana masaya si Scorpio. Pero hindi siya masaya kasi hindi ka maghahanap ng that space of quietness eh. And nakikipag-away ka eh. O sa sarili mo lang itong pakikipag-away. Merong ganyan din Scorpio. Minsan ganyan din ako sa element na I'm fighting with myself kasi yung higher expectation na ay hindi ako bumagsak ako doon or something. You know that kind of feeling. Bakit hindi ako nakapasa doon sa something. Dati minamani ko yan. You know that? Yeah, Scorpio. Yeah. So, okay. Curious lang ako. Are you introvert or extrovert, Scorpio? I just want to know. Okay. Kuha ko dito sa isang card, ha? Sa isang card, magkapi-kapi po tayo. Merong yung inspiration mo parang kakatiting. Naghahanap ka ng inspiration yata dito eh. Inspiration is Scorpio is katiting. Okay? Again, everybody's looking for that fairness. You are looking for that fairness. Kailangan mo, kung ano may hinihintay mo na yan, konting pagtitiis pa daw. Sanay ka naman dyan, Scorpio eh. One of the most patient and sign. Number 1 ba tayo dyan? Do you agree, Scorpio? Okay. So, tanong ko lang yun. Siguro, mga kaibigang Scorpio is, I just want to validate din as a Scorpio. Ano ba tayo? Yung strength natin is strong sa patience, sa paghihintay. And if you are introvert or extrovert, I'm just wondering kasi I am introvert actually. Yeah. And pero bakit ko ginagawa ito? Di ba introvert daw kasi eh. Introvert eh. Yun nga. Introvert, matahimik, mahihiyain or something. Siguro, nahihiya din ako kasi hindi ko pinapakita yung mukha ko or something. Pero, I'm communicating with the outside world. Yeah? Ang daming mga naysayer din. Ito ayun na naman tayo 7-7. Something happened in July 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, today is September 14 or September 7. Watch out those I know Scorpio is high ang intuition. Lahat binibigyan ng meaning minsan, which is sometimes Hindi rin maganda. Okay, you're fighting for what you believe in and standing on your ground. Ano ba ito? Sa trabaho? Kumbaga sa trabaho, pinapakita mo dun sa amo mo na mas matalino ka. Yeah, Scorpio. I have that sense of also. Okay? You are fighting for what you believe in, Scorpio. Ito yung Scorpio na very confined sa rules ng how they were brought up ng family at tradition and culture. Okay? Hindi naman puro Scorpio lang yan. Lahat din ng sign, okay? But not everybody are, kasi nga yung pamilya, society, that's how it was dictated. School, education, anong eskwelahan ka nag-aral, something like that. Yung mga kaibigan na sinama mo, you are a fixed sign. So kung ano yung mga factors na yon na how we were molded, the way we think, ano tayo doon we very, ano man tawag doon, ano tayo, basta palaban tayo, we want to, pag sinabi natin, hindi, 1 plus 1 equals, ano po yan, 3, and we fight for that 3. Okay, yung partnership, if you're looking for that partnership na hinahanap mo yung justice, darating na Scorpio, I think makaka-resonate ako dito. Are you dealing with another water sign, Cancer or Pisces? That means the world to you. Oh. Okay. That means the world to you. Or somebody break your heart who is a Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. 7 is July. July is a Cancer. July 14. Okay, that means the world to you. O, bakit biglang pumasok yun? Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan? Yeah. I do not know kung ano ang meaning nito para sa Scorpio na babasa ko. I can see, I am gonna be honest with you, I'm dealing with a Cancer na amo ko. Yes? And we always have this 7 of 1. Ano to another hard-headed person. I used to have a boss na Aries, another hard-headed. Ngayon, there's a partnership. Yeah, there's a partnership that's gonna happen as well. Kasi partnership, yun ang amo na pinagtatrabahuhan ko. It's a partnership. And there's an expansion. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think you're fighting yours right here to tell whoever that relationship or what's happening na, okay, this is how we go. Itong direction na ito, meron kayong difference of opinion. You came to a mutual agreement na you go to the right or to the left. Okay? Now, it's if kung ayaw niya ng left or right, you always have that room for expansion by yourself. You can go it by yourself kasi you've learned something in the past. Ayaw mo nang maulit lang. Okay? And to go to either direction, it required that sense of strength and lahat ng gagawin mong energy. Because, Scorpio, alam ko yung effort na ibibigay mo. When you give your effort, it's not only 98%. It's the whole world that you're gonna give. Now, if you want to commit to something, okay, it should be balanced and equal. That's all that you are asking for. And you can move forward to that expansion that you are trying to go to. A lot of 2, 2, and then I have 7, and then 3. There's a progression, 2, 3. There's a progression. It's moving around. It's moving around Scorpio. Yeah? I don't think it's even related to money. You want to balance that emotional, yung safety net ng emotion mo before you can move to that next stage of kung ano man itong kinomplete mo. Another project, kumbaga sa ano, sabi ng, okay, partnership sa trabaho. Sabi ng amo mo, okay, natapos na tayo sa proyekto, punta naman tayo sa kabila. Okay, now, maraming yung proseso ng proyekto bago tinapos, ang daming sakit ng ulo. Yes, agree, merong ganyan. Now, you move to that one. Before you go to that another project, you want to make sure na balance ulit kasi maraming palpak na nangyari dun sa proyekto na yon. Kasi nga, maraming mga misang kasinungalingan, maraming mga apekto na ang dami mong sinayang. Yes, ito na naman yung ano, yung 4 naging 5 of cups. Okay? And maraming indecision. Yun lang yung ayaw mong ano, mangyari. Yeah, I think I can relate to this. I think, okay. Ayaw mo nang ulit maranasan yung ang dami mong sinayang. Ito yung mga words na maaaring makakasakit. Okay? You regret those kind of things. Ang dami mo ng indecision na malang decision. Ito yung something na blaming. Yeah? Pagsisinungaling, etc. Ayaw mo na nung ganoon. Okay? So that's why you just want to fight for what you believe in kasi you don't want to go through the same type of energy. And that expansion that you're looking, it's not expansion na yayaman ka or something. I think this is expansion to your inner self, Scorpio. You've learned those experience the hard way as well. So yung expansion, ibang level of expansion ang hinahanap mo. Yeah? Meron ba ganyan, Scorpio? September 15 to 21. This is a very straightforward reading. And I like it. Naka-resonate ako dun sa ibang sa ibang aspeto. Kaya lang merong ibang Scorpio na bago pa lang silang nagsisimula on that stage ng sabihin natin politika at drama. Okay? Itong Scorpio na ito kumbaga sa I will consider that cup as 10 years, 10, 20, 30. Kumbaga sa yun ang knowledge. Kasi hindi mo ma-experience yung pain na yun o yung regret, yung lahat ng sama ng loob mo kung bagito ka pa lang. Itong Scorpio na ito is somebody who is more on the alam niya na yung pinagdaanan niya. He or she have that 10, 20, 30, maybe 40 years of pain already na hindi ka makakarating sa 7 of Wands na ano yung paglalaban mo kung hindi mo alam na tama pala yung ginagawa mo. Agree? Yeah. Kung halimbawang kakagraduate mo lang sa kolehiyo, ganito ang nagtatrabaho ko sa factory, ganito yung paggawa ng pagtahi. Okay. Sunod ka na lang. Pero after you been there for 20 years, 30 years, pag may nagsabi sa'yo na ganito ang pagtahi, sasampalin mo na yun. Tumahimik ka nga. Marunong ka pa sa akin. 30 taon ko na ginagawa, hindi ganyan. Yes, that's what your 7 of 1 here. Hindi mo idedependa yung pagtatahi mo kung alam mong tama yung sinasabi sa'yo. And yung knowledge na yon hindi mo lang nakuha kasi ang dami mong sinayang din. Ngayon, ayaw mo na magsayang. So, sa susunod na step na gagawin mo kasi nasa word ka na naman natapos na yung pagtatahi mo, gagawa ka naman ng bag ngayon, ayaw mo naman may magsasabi na naman sa'yo na ganito ang pagtatahi ng baga. Yes, yan ang energy ni Scorpio ngayon. Oh, very interesting. Shout out nga mga kapatid na Scorpio. I just curious, do you consider yourself as introvert or extrovert? At itong strength, sometimes I don't want to say na pasensyoso, hindi I do not know. Pero as far as tolerance ng strength or your pasensya, ano ba talaga tayo? Mahaba yung pasensya natin, yung strength. That two questions. So, yeah, yes or no. So, ngayon, kuha lang ako ng last, oracle card. Scorpio. Hinuli kita sa reading. Normally, hinuhuli ko yung ano kasi ah ayokong maging bias sa ano sa sign ko kapag inuuna ko. Gusto kong makita yung other sign para ano ko siya ano ba tawag dito? Ayoko kasi magpare-pareho yung energy. Inahalo ko siya. So, September 15 to 21. As much as possible, I want to see different type of Scorpio. Hindi lang puro halimbawa DPWH. So, September 15 to 21. September 15 to 21. Ano pa? Okay. Tignan natin. Ito yung moon. Moon. New moon. Okay. Sabi dito. Yan, nakikita ba sa camera? Sandali. Okay. The time is ripe for seeking new opportunities. Oh. Tama. Ito siya, yung opportunities mo actually, ibinigay na sa iyo. That's your world card. The world card is a new world. Na-complete mo na yung cycle. And your expansion. Ayan siya, Ayan yung the young emperor. They call them the young emperor. The young emperor started from small knowledge. Pero hawak niya yung world. Yeah. Very ito, Scorpio, Ayan, wala nang hocus pocus. The 2 of 1 is the young emperor. You need to know that. Okay? And the young emperor is holding the world. Okay? So, sa mga Scorpio ngayon na nanonood, and that the world is on your hand, meaning the world is your oyster. Pero, hindi ganun kadali. Ang daling sabihin Tama po ba, Scorpio? Ang daling sabihin. But, sabi na nung card, the time is ripe for seeking new opportunities. Just go for it. Go for your expansion. Okay? I'm not saying it's easy. Okay? Alam ni Scorpio yan. Yeah? So, sana all to Scorpio, shout out tayo, ha? Connect tayo, fellow Scorpio. Tanong, just, let's not take things seriously. So, September 15 to 21. So, enjoy ang weekend po. Thank you. See you again.